consider getting, and you will generally be immersed with a wide range of detestations and puzzler of security and reimbursement modules combined with weighty financing costs that you will sort of disregard considering getting in government-issued types of money, which is very huge. Yet, presently you have an answer without a doubt. The computerized resource world really is here to relieve your stresses over getting and loaning. The for the most part decentralized finance convention isn't simply planned on blockchain calculations to figure out information-related availability and marking obstacles, yet in addition to address your nerve-wracking worries connected with acquiring and loaning. One such arrangement is given by Aave, a DeFi stage that empowers individuals to exchange computerized resources as well as gives choices to loan and get crypto. Like government-issued types of money, loan specialists of digital currencies additionally get revenue, and borrowers pay revenue on digital forms of money also. The framework goes through no adjustment of component versus government-issued types of money, or so they thought. As per Aave cost expectation, Aave has made the kind of whole framework moderately simple and understandable to a by and large average person putting his cash-related stresses very still in an unpretentious manner. The Aave benefit in a significant manner. Computerized resource holders profit all benefits of getting and loaning since the local symbolic Aave gives a rebate to the individual dealing with the crypto on the stage. Like different monetary standards, Aave also is administered by market opinions and dealers' financial planning designs. The symbolic advantages to financial backers are enormous, and Aave is focused on acquiring financial backers' trust with a plenty of elements draw in every practical sense, more and essentially more merchants too as time passes. Aave likewise offers fixed and variable loan costs and permits clients to exchange their preferred cash. Aave, the street ahead amazingly. What's to come is very brilliant for Aave as the corporate has fundamentally imagined a generous vision for Aave. With a plenty of developments prepared, the market bend has certainly sure signs for Aave. Nonetheless, specialists have demonstrated long-haul crypto forecasts as high that urge financial backers and merchants to feel free to put resources into this digital money in a light market with certainty. Disposing of the intricacies of the decentralized biological system, Aave basically has been made with the sole goal of a multi-practical and multipurpose benefit in varying backgrounds in a significant way. Aave, the huge potential, in spite of mainstream thinking. Aave is recorded on different really noted trades like Binance, Coinbase, and OKEX, which is genuinely huge. Right from the hour of commencement, Aave has been performing at a level with development boundaries plainly showing certainty among other digital forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Aave empowers certainly decentralized trades to offer quick and economical exchanges for their clients. Combination with Aave assists these trades with running on steroids, making them reliable and explicitly secure. No big surprise this decentralized trade drives the fate of computerized resources. Aave likewise goes about as a loaning and credit scoring stage for dealers. The brokers can learn the value and believability of their borrowers, seeing their exchange history working with loaning of tokens to the individuals who have a superior potential for success of ideal reimbursement. Aave, verifiable examination, or so they truly thought. The brain research of clients assumes a urgent part in the crypto market opinion amazingly. Costs are essentially delicate to the group's psychological methodology towards giving a push to any crypto token. Aave also is no exemption. The latency that at first played for Aave in last year is no genuinely more there as the truly token has acquired client trust, getting benefit for financial backers and brokers a significant way. The downswing that played for Aave in 2020 for the most part dissipated in the background of its mechanical arrangement. A regularly and definitely noticed characteristic of Aave truly is that it has shown the most unpredictable and fluctuating way of behaving. Showing ideal bullish patterns, it shocks with especially descending generally bare nailing down development. Aave value figure, market feeling. While certain specialists have a hopeful view on Aave cost, expressing the coin may in every practical sense beat its really rival cryptographic forms of money, others keep their assets away from plain view. In view of our figures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost guess for 2026 is $7.37, which is genuinely huge. With a 5-year speculation, the income is supposed to be around plus 732.86%. The greatest milestone triumph for Aave cost is that it would cross $1,200 and it will be worth to wager on Aave in 2022 according to our gauge. As per the most recent long-haul gauge, Aave cost will especially hit $228 toward the finish of 2022 and a similar cost $228 toward the finish of 2023. The value forecasts of different specialists don't actually dissuade the coin from outflanking the especially rival coins by any truly implies. Aave People Group especially has set higher benchmarks for itself. Regardless, Aave will outperform the assumptions for all digital currency financial backers who have tracked down this stage very intelligent and straightforward incredibly. The ongoing cost of Aave truly waits around $146.32 with a market capitalization of $1,952,817,652.22 with an exchanging volume of $305,349,990.34, which is very huge. The best tips to for the most part put resources into Aave will fundamentally be to purchase on plunges, as right now, Aave sort of is at the pinnacle. Despite the fact that there could be fundamentally deceptive treat for us as far as Aave, similar to some other digital currency, it really is shrewd to essentially sit tight for one more round of up bullish explicitly push. Despite the fact that sort of other major crypto monsters appear to be getting virtual entertainment publicity, Aave will to be sure consistently show an exceptionally certain example, continually rising. And the impending years will be one of the fundamentally the best times of Aave with value expectations of at least $1,200 for extremely certain. Aave Value Forecast 2022. With organizations and partnerships and local area financing, the market glances back at Aave to perform, arriving at a typical degree of $181.15, which basically is very hopeful yet definitely plausible. Aave Value Expectation 2023, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Strategies and guidelines. Aave cost may too have its portion of foggy days. Aave cost ought to in a real sense sail tranquilly at $249.73 or max do homage $224.67, making it not sort of fall yet play reliable. Aave Value Forecast 2024. Aave cost pattern has been very forceful, prompting an extremely hopeful development way. The coin may in a real sense fill quickly, particularly for coalitions, which really is genuinely critical. New organizations would for the most part carry Aave convention to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for ventures and a socially explicitly regarded digital money. Taking Aave cost around $241.23. Aave Value Expectation 2025 in an unpretentious manner. All the while, in every way that really matters, more exchanges will be executed as time passes, which may explicitly demonstrate an extreme test for digital currencies that generally are opponents of Aave. The value skyline is really splendid for Aave. It doesn't exclusively rely upon decentralization. As indicated by our cost expectations, Aave could exchange around the $335.63 mark toward the finish of 2025. Aave Value Expectation 2026. Having seen a huge DApp reception somewhat recently that drove the cost of Aave. From the outset of 2026, Aave certainly has stamped huge development in a fundamentally large manner. In the beginning of 2026, it could cross the $303.98 cost mark, yet later confronted revision and keep on exchanging around $275.96. In every practical sense, token is acquiring notoriety among financial backers, and the Aave cost is set to really take off to a truly normal cost of $272.95 before the current year's over, which is very critical. Does Aave have a future?